Hello everybody, in this video I want to show you how you can copy, duplicate objects in the block manager in Blankos, alright? So first of all, let's get into run mode. So this is the default, we're in run mode. What we need to do now is enter float mode. We press the 1 on the keyboard, we enter float mode. Now we can press space, shift to go down, WASD to move, and the mouse to move around. And let's say that I want to duplicate these two, alright? So several ways to do this, all right? First of all, I need to select the one that I want to actually copy. I just position the mouse button on the object where everything I see it's outlined in purple. So I can select this one, this one, or this one, all right? Now, when I select this one, it turns blue, you see? All right? Now, selected, I can actually tap C to copy it. Now it's going to have kind of a semi-transparent replica of this object. And what I can do, I can just move it around. And if I want to position it here, I just tap left button. If I want to cancel and try again, and press the right mouse button. But let's say that I want to put it here. In this time, I can actually rotate it if I want to. For example, I can press 2. And then I enter rotation and scale mode. And I can scale it with the middle mouse button. And I can just press E or R to rotate it. Let's say I want to say the same position. All right. Now I press the left mouse button to confirm, and here it is. Now let's say that I want to copy these two. All right. So let's press right mouse button. Now we are back into selection mode, and I want to copy these two. Now what we can do, if I select this one and then select the other one. Again, left mouse button, both of them are selected. Now, the cool thing is that I can actually create a group, one atomic unit. So this one will be as like one object, although it contains two. But I will control it as it was one object. So I can select create group, G, all right? And then I can just go out, by the way, out. And now if you can see, if I point to this item, to this object, it doesn't matter if it's this one or this one, it's just one object. This is how it was before, two, you see? Two objects, this one and this one. After I did group, I group them, now it's one object. So what I can do now, and again, you can create very complex object. For example, I can select this one now, and I can select this one now, I can select this one now, and create another group, all right? So let's just go back. Now I can choose this one, and I can copy this one, and then I'm copying the entire group and position it here, left mouse button, position it here. Now if you're already creating something complex and you want to replicate it, this is a great way to do it. Again, you can do this with very complex. Let's create something very complex here, all right? And let's say I want to select this one, this one, this one, all right? Kind of beautiful structure that I created there, absolutely amazing. By the way, you can deselect by clicking again. All right. Now I use create group on this one. Oh wow! So this is now a big object containing several objects. All right. By the way, I can do edit properties with Q. You see, and allows me to disband group. See, toy properties. It's called toy properties. I just figured this out. Right? So I can actually disband it. So what I do if I disband, I press Q. Alright? Sorry. I need to first select it. And I press Q and disband group. Now there are single objects. If I want again to select all of them again. Now when I did the disband, everything was disbanded, everything. So all of the items now, even if they were grouped in a child grouping, they're all disbanded. All right, so I do this and I create a group, G. Now it's one group, and if I want to, I'm going to go out now with the right mouse button. By the way, there's also an option to push edit material. If you do T, for example, we're going to talk about it later. I can actually color it. For example, I can select this one. I can color all the selected grouped items, prop materials. We're going to talk about it later on. on another video. So we're going to press right mouse button. I want to copy this, and I'm going to move and position it here. Alright, so I can do something like this. Alright, crazy, huh? And now we're going to right mouse button. Crazy. Now let's say they want to group this. Alright, so what I can do, I can select this one, and this one, and also this one. Alright, you can actually see, nice. And then we're going to group this one, create a group. And then what we can do is right mouse button, select it, copy. Alright, I think you understand the point, right? This is how we can easily create very complex objects or duplicate them and create really interesting stuff. Or just make it easy for you to kind of create a symmetrical, stadium, whatever you are creating, very, very easily, right? You just select what's on the one half, and you can actually just copy and replicate it to the second half very easily instead of creating this one all over again. So this is it. If you have any question, let me know. I hope you like my new sculpture. Consider subscribing to my channel and give this one a like. I see you on next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm going to fly away. Oopsie.